everybody. This is Sandra Essex, and I am so excited and happy. And I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let all my YouTube subscribers know that with your help, and I am so thankful for your help, I am in the position to start my YouTube monetization process. And I am just so happy, and I want to say thank you for all your support, and just to give everybody out there who are new small YouTubers like myself the motivation that if I can do this and get to this point, anybody can, because I have no technical skills. I hate being in front of a camera, but I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So everybody, I'm going to show you today my invitation letter from YouTube, and I'm going to share with you step by step my process as I go through the YouTube monetization process. Take care. Thank you, everybody. And let's look at this email. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, everybody, here we are, and we're on the back side of my Gmail email account. And as you see, I did get an invitation from YouTube on October the 3rd, 2020, to start my monetization process. It says your YouTube channel of Sandra Essex has passed the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Then it has a link that I'm going to click that starts explaining the YouTube partner program. It tells me that my YouTube channel is not monetized yet. If it hasn't been, that I need to start to click this next link to check my next steps, and also that I have to set up something called AdSense. So right now at this point, everybody, I'm just looking at the email, and I'm going to shoot another video as each step that I do when I click the link to start learning about the YouTube partner program. Then I'll show what's in the link and what's entailed when you click the link for the monetization section of the YouTube studio, because I want to share with everybody every step that I take on this journey, because it has been a journey. I think I've been working at this for, I know at least a year, you know, but I did it stop and start, and then I just finally made up my mind. I'm stop complaining, stop comparing my site to everybody else's site, and just as they say, do me. You know, I try to do the best that I can do with the limited skills I can, and I always try to provide good value to my subscription base. So everybody, this right here is my invitation letter from YouTube asking me to start the process of the YouTube monetization steps. And I want you, all these new YouTubers out there, to stay tuned to my next video, and that will show you my next step that I take on this journey, because it will possibly help you when you start this journey at this point. Take care, everybody. Thank you so very much. Remember to click that bell icon so that you will be notified when I release my daily videos, and be sure to subscribe. Take care and have an awesome, awesome day. And thank you for all your support.